Hi guys, once again I bring you fresh and clean design tricks in Pixel Lab, and this is brought to you by the Augmented Designer right from the Augmented Design Studio. And I'm going to be showing you how to create a magic. I mean, this one is completely going to blow your mind in Pixel Lab. At the end of this video, you are going to ask, bro, is this talent or juju? Yeah, I know that's crazy, right? But just hang on, hang on. I know you want to scroll. Just hang on. You are going to love this. All right, if you're not following me, make sure you follow me right here on TikTok. I teach guys, I teach girls, I teach anybody, whether mama or papa, how to design with just their smartphone using Pixel app. And if it comes to Photoshop, well, we're also there. All right, so let's get started. I will start by changing my canvas size, and I'm only going to be changing the height. So my height is going to be 2000. Yeah, I want it to be this tall, very, very, very tall. And I'm just going to height this one, right? So this is what we have. What is going to happen is I will fill the background with white black, sorry, complete black. So this is what we have. The next step is to go ahead and add shape, and for this shape I'm going to increase the radius to say 20. The radius is going to be 20. I will toggle on my snap tool, so I'll do something like this, and I'm going to drag this to be a bit longer, the height, and like this. Yeah, let me resize it. So we have something like this. I'll go ahead and duplicate it. I'll keep it here. Okay, I think I want it to be smaller. Yeah, duplicate, duplicate. Yeah, so we have something like this. I think they are too far apart. No, let me leave it like that. So I'll go ahead and select all of them and merge them together, and I'll duplicate it, put it here, duplicate again, put it here. Yeah, so we have something like this. Go back and select all of them and lock them once again. And this is what we have actually. So what's the use of all this? Just hold on, tap on this, and I'll go to the perspective tool and I'll enable it. Then I'm going to toggle on my grid lines, and I'm just going to do some little adjustment like this. Just follow what I'm doing. I'm going to do something like this, like this. And I'll hit OK. Yeah, so this is what we have here. I'm going to resize this like this, and I'll put it around here. Let me resize that. I'll put it here like this, and I'm going to lock it. So yeah, this is just one of the steps. So I'll go ahead and bring the image that I'll be using in this design. Let me do that quickly. So this is the image I'm going to be using for this design, and I'll just scale it a little bit like this, like this. I think I want to make this one big, just a little more bigger, like this. Yeah, I think that's okay. And I'll lock it. Then for this one, I'll keep it something like this. Let me put it like this. And I'm also going to lock it. Then go ahead and add the shape. And for this shape, we want the radius to be at 20 also. And we'll go to 3D rotate and enable it. Then go to, sorry, that's 3D shape. Then go to 3D rotate and drag this one to be about 180. Or yeah, let's just leave it at like this. Then use the y-axis to rotate. Use the y-axis to rotate like this. Then I'm going to make it bigger, and I'll bring it like this. Then I'll drag this one below this person here, and I'll increase the size again and keep it like this. So let me just try again, like something like this. Yawa, I think I like this, so I'm just going to drop that. Then what is going to happen is I'll select that, and I'll go to texture, and I'm going to bring in something that I'm going to be using. Oh, what is this? Okay, I'm going to be using this texture here. This is a rough wall. So yeah, we have something like this. I'm just going to play with the scale, and I'll hit OK. Then I'll bring it like this. I'll just keep it around here, and I'll lock it. Then I'll go ahead again and add another shape, and this time around this shape is going to be circle. I'll remove the opacity, and I will increase the stroke width. Then the blur radius is going to be 25, which is the fullest. Then I'm going to drag one of these and go to close the middle gap, and we have a nice shadow like this. Then I'll take one of these part upwards and bring it below. I'll go to my layers panel and drag it below this character we have here, and I'm going to turn it like this, and already boom, we have our first shadow right there. Then I'm going to decrease the shadow a little bit. I don't want it to be that much. Let's say 75. Yeah. Then I'll duplicate it again and take it to the other side again, bring it down. And this time I'm going to make it a little bit smaller to this other side, like this, like this. Yeah. And this is what we have. I'm just going to push this one upward like this. And so for this shadow that's in front, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker compared to the one that is on the right side. So we have something like this. Then go ahead again and add another shape. And this time around, we'll remove the opacity, increase the stroke by 20, not to maximum, and also increase the blur to the fullest, and do something like this again and click OK. And this time I'm going to change it to white, and I will scale it like this. I'll drag it like this. I'll drag it like this. I'll drag it like this. Just make sure you rotate it like this. Then I'll take it behind this character or below, and we have something like this. Yeah, you can go ahead and change it to any color that you want, but basically we have what we want here already. I'm going to duplicate it again, and this time I'll make it smaller. I don't want it to be that big. I'll make it smaller, and I'll keep it like this. I'll keep it like this. As you can see, I'm putting it over this guy here. Then I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to reduce the opacity to 50. Let me increase this a little bit. So we have something like this. Shit, this one a talent, I mean, juju. All right, we're almost done. I'm going to click on this shape again, which you have, and I'll go back to 3D shape, and I'll increase the depth to about 20 or 30. Okay, let me increase it until we can't see that gap again. And this is what we have. I'll just go ahead and bring in my logo, and I'm going to resize it down 40. Yeah, and I'll just bring it somewhere like this, and I'll click here. And this is it for the design. Isn't that cool? So you can just go ahead and do something like this. You can just go ahead and you can turn the light to anything. Let me just give it let me can just turn the light to anything that you want, and even the windows also, you can just change them to whatever you want, and it's going to work perfectly fine. And so yeah, that's what we have for this. You can just go ahead, if you want to replicate this, add your own text, add some finishing touch, and boom, you have a bad vibe. I think this can actually work on a Friday, like, yeah, happy Friday.